If you need to reset your Reddit password, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Reddit login page. Visit the Reddit website or open the Reddit app on your device. Look for the login option to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your username or email. You will be prompted to enter either your Reddit username or the email address associated with your account. Fill in the required information and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset email from Reddit. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it to complete the reset process. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Reddit account with your new credentials.